Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today's video is going to be a what's on my Apple Watch. If you haven't watched my unboxing on the Series 5 iWatch, please check that out. If you are interested in this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. So I recently ordered a case for my watch because it's already scratched, and I just got this watch like a few days ago, but it's okay. I don't think that I've been really rough with it, but yeah, there's already scratches on it. I have like 3 or 4 scratches. So hopefully my case gets here really soon for the front face of the watch, but I'm going to just be showing you, like I mentioned, what's on my watch. So let me go ahead and unlock it. Okay, so it's unlocked. And now I'm going to go to the apps that I have, and I'm just kind of going to go like in this order. So the first app here is an app that comes with the watch, and it's cycle tracking, which I think is really, really cool. I didn't have this feature with my Series 1 watch, and I haven't set it up yet, but I definitely believe that I am going to be using it. So it helps to track your cycle. It says open the health app on your phone to set up cycle tracking, track your menstrual cycle. Tracking your menstrual cycle can help you understand your overall health. So I will have to go and open this app or download this app on my phone to utilize the service. The next app is my weather app. I also have maps. I have the alarm. I also have my camera app. Now I'm not, or it's a Walkie Talkie app. I thought it was the camera. I'm not too familiar on all of the features that this iWatch or this Apple Watch has. So I'm definitely going to be taking some time to familiarize myself with the different features and services that come along with it, just to see, you know, what will better help me. So it says Walkie Talkie, talk with friends, Apple Watch to Apple Watch. Contacts you can talk to whenever you're set to available. So that's pretty cool. I'm not really sure how to use the Walkie Talkie app, but I am interested in learning. In this app are my photos, some of the photos. I also have calculator, I have calendar, I have the breathing app, which I do use pretty frequently. It kind of pops up and lets you know when you need to maybe take a breather. And sometimes I don't do it right. Like I'll be in the middle of doing something and I'll miss a couple breaths, or I don't know, but I am going to start trying to definitely do that a little bit more often. I also have my time. I have the activity app, settings, messages. I believe this is like a play icon where I can start playing, like if I'm watching a YouTube video or music or whatever I'm doing. This also comes with it. This is the wallet app. And then I also have Outlook right here. Now I think this is another new feature with the Series 5. I don't believe that this came with my Series 1. Maybe it's with the Series 3, I'm not sure, but it's the ECG app. And I believe that you have to either, I don't know if it comes installed on the iPhone or if you have to install it, but you'll have to get the app on your phone in order to utilize the service on your watch. I also have text messaging. I have Shopify. It's really, really cool. Like when I get an order, I get a notification not only on my phone, but also on my watch. I can check to see how many visitors I've had on my online store through my watch. I can check to see the orders, obviously, like I mentioned. I can also get like, I have Shopify Ping, which is a chatting option through my online store where customers can go to my website and chat with me or whoever I have assisting me that day. And I get those notifications right through my watch. So it's really, really cool. I also have this, I believe that's an alarm clock, or actually it's a timer. So I didn't even know the timer was there. So that's really cool. So timer's there. As I'm going through what's on my watch, I'm learning with you all. So that's pretty cool. And then I also have, I believe this is finding people. So I can share my location. I'm going to probably be using that too. Let's see. I have my email. I also have this app, which is kind of cool. I haven't used it yet, but it monitors the noise level. So if I want to reduce my noise level, or if I'm being exposed to loud sounds, I'll get an alert. It says long-term exposure to sounds at this level should not affect your hearing. And then you can click learn more if you want to learn more about that. I also have this. That's my radio app. I have the App Store, my phone. I believe this is like a workout app. So I haven't started using that, but I'm excited to use that as well. I have the calculator. I believe this is the camera app here. Now I'm confused on this. I have to do a little bit more research. I don't know if I'm going to be able to I don't think you can take pictures from your Apple Watch. So I believe that, I don't know. I don't know why this is here. I would expect for the picture portion to be on the Apple Watch, but not necessarily a camera, because I don't think that you can take pictures on your Apple Watch. Well, let me know if I'm wrong, about that. Maybe you can take pictures. I don't see a camera or anything like that on it, so I don't think that you can, but maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. So I think that pretty much went over everything. I'm still learning the watch as we go along. Let me see, what is this? This is the clock, so I can add my city to it. What is that? This is something that monitors your heart rate. So you can set that up too. I haven't set it up. Also, one other thing that I learned when I picked up my watch, and I have the calculator. That's pretty cool. You can actually use the calculator on your phone or on your watch. One thing that I learned about this watch when I picked it up from the store is that you can turn it on like this water protect mode. And the way that you do that is by sliding up once your screen is locked and going down here to this icon. And I guess this protects it. Like the advisor told me that I could take a shower with the watch, and all I had to do was make sure that this is on. And then when you get out of the shower, you can turn it off by clicking this button and turning it. And then it unlocks it and you hear that noise. So yes, that's pretty much all for what's on my Apple Watch. I don't have too many things installed. I just use pretty much my Shopify app, my text messaging. I love it for my emails, for my phone calls. I like the breathing app, and I use it for, the date, just to kind of keep up with the date and, the weather. I use that too. So I'm not really using too many apps at this point, but I do anticipate using, this app, also the heart app, and my calculator a little bit more. There's some really cool features with the watch, but I'm not too familiarized on the features yet. It was time for me to upgrade. And, I wanted a newer watch. And so I'm going to be taking some time, like I said, to get used to the new watch and the features. But pretty much on this video, I was learning what was on my watch, as well as showing you all what was on my watch. So stay tuned. I am going to be doing another comparison probably later on this week between my Series 5 watch and also my Series 1. Just in case you have a Series 1 and you're thinking, hey, what are the differences? I kind of want to see them side by side. I kind of want to hear an opinion on them. I kind of want to see a different perspective. Then feel free to, subscribe, stay tuned to my channel, and take a look at that video. So if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.